Hello again and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got an unboxing video for the new special edition from Zavvi. It's a limited collector's edition of Last Action Hero 4K Ultra HD Blu-ray, which they've put together a package. So it's just arrived. I think it's out following Monday. So let's have a quick look at the outside before I rip it open. Okay, so this will have the steelbook inside and some special collector's items. So there's the back. Okay, so let's rip it open. We've got some tear holes. Let's see what they've done with this one. Okay, so it's a sturdy, hard outer box. So I'll hold it on the angle so you can see if there's any shine or anything. No emboss work or deboss work. It is quite a good outer box. It feels like the quality of the Warner Brothers ones. And Sony also did a recent one for HMV, the almost famous 4K disc. That was a good outer box. So let's slide it open. Okay, so quick look inside. So we have the collector's set in there, which we'll open in a minute. And we have the steelbook. So let's rip open the steel. Okay, so from Sony it's a matte finish. No deboss work or emboss work on this one. So there's a look at the front. We switch to the spine. Again, no Blu-ray or Ultra HD logos, so it can be used for either format. Look at the back. So good to have the Big Gun music video back on this release. Dolby Atmos track on this one. There's listed the subtitles as well, and the Blu-ray disc, which I suspect is the original one that you can already buy. No mention of Dolby Vision, so I take it it's just a HDR10 transfer. And if we have a look at the back, okay, so into the inside. So we have a 4K disc with artwork. Which looks like a triple layer, so a BD100 disc. I forget what the length of the film was. 131 minutes and quite a few features, so yeah, perfect from Sony to give us a 100 gig disc. And the Blu-ray is the old-fashioned original one. And there's a look at the internal artwork. Okay, so if we look at the two together. Okay, so quite a nice looking steel. Put the discs back in. Okay, so if we open up the collector's set now, see what we've got in here. Okay, so there's a look inside. It's got the Hamlet skulls all over this. Okay, so we have the ticket. The magic ticket. This is to certify that this is 1145 out of only 2000. We then have art cards. There's Arnie as Hamlet. Or Jack Slater as... yeah. Just wonder if you can actually make out that that's not Arnie coming out the house. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 heavy duty art cards, not thin ones. And we also have a poster, which is double-sided. Got that artwork. And we also have the iconic artwork. So yeah, happy to snag a copy of only 2000, so a little bit more expensive than what I hoped to pay, but yeah, I'm sure it's going to go for a ridiculous amount of money on eBay, so glad to have got it. And put them back in there. So that's it, all back as it was. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and comment below and subscribe for more, and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye, thanks again.